You've compiled your proposal and completed Wiley's proposal submission form. What's next? Now our team will refer your proposal to the editor for your selected subject area. What do editors do? Listening to our customers, our editors work with our authors to create compelling and useful content. They collaborate with authors to turn great ideas into great books. How do editors decide what to publish? Editors take various factors into account when making their decision. 1. Your book proposal, the most important piece of information. 2. Market need and the competitive landscape. 3. External reviewer feedback to confirm the content meets a market need. Then comes the exciting news. A decision is made to publish your book. Once the decision is made to publish your work, the editor will offer you a contract. The contract will define the publication, how and when it will be delivered, and outlines yours and the publisher's rights and responsibilities, as well as confirming your royalties. Now that you've signed the contract, it's time to get started on your manuscript. Good luck.